open sea. The evening light is blue and calm. Under the great bridge, the water shines like silver. We drift like the quiet yachts around us, moving free, moving wide, carrying the breeze with us. Deep tones hum beneath, echoing the vastness. Suddenly the skyline looms, towers rising high, diving past the buildings, adrenaline in the sky. Rhythms quicken, tension climbs, brass and synth echo, hearts aligned.